These are the 5 worst natural disasters to occur since 1900. You won't believe these death tolls. Today's list is brought to you by They Will Kill You. Number 5. The 1920 Haiwan earthquake. With an estimated death toll of 273,400 casualties, the Haiwan earthquake occurred on December 1st with a reported Richter magnitude scale of 7.8. This earthquake brought 7 entire Chinese provinces and regions to its feet, as it caused nearly all houses and buildings to collapse. Residual waves from the Haiwan earthquake were observed as far as Norway, in 2 lakes and 3 fjords. Number 4. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. At just after midnight on the day after Christmas, an undersea megathrust earthquake occurred just off the west coast of Sumatra. This triggered a series of devastating tsunamis along the coast of 14 different countries with waves up to 30 meters high. These tsunamis were responsible for 280,000 deaths, while the earthquake caused the entire planet to vibrate as much as 1 centimeter, while triggering other earthquakes as far away as Alaska. Number 3. The 1970 Bhola cyclone. On November 12th, the deadliest tropical cyclone ever recorded struck East Pakistan, or known today as Bangladesh, with a death toll of 500,000 people. Its peak winds blew up to 185 kilometers per hour while wiping out entire villages and destroying many offshore islands. The Bhola cyclone was responsible for killing 45% of the 167,000 person population of Tazumuddin. Number 2. The 1976 Tangshan earthquake. The Great Tangshan earthquake occurred on July 28th in Tangshan, an industrial city with approximately 1 million inhabitants. The tremors from these seismic waves, which lasted 14 to 16 seconds, came in with a magnitude of 7.8. 16 hours later, another 7.1 magnitude aftershock occurred, which was responsible for 255,000 of 655,000 total deaths. Also, an additional 164,000 people reported as severely injured. And number 1, the 1931 China floods. The Central China floods of 1931 was the deadliest natural disaster ever recorded in the 20th century, with up to 4 million deaths. These floods occurred from the months of July through November, when heavy rains and spring thaw from a heavy snowstorm the preceding winter, along with heavy cyclone activity, caused the Yellow, Yangtze, and Huai rivers to flood. Not only did millions die from drowning, but waterborne diseases such as cholera and typhus were also widespread. In some cases, infanticide and cannibalism were even reported during these times of despair. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to World 5 List by clicking on the subscribe button up top. We've also included a bonus video for you on how to survive the Harlequin ichthyosis disease. And if you're interested in learning more about things in nature that will kill you, as well as how to survive them, subscribe to my channel, They Will Kill You, by clicking on the subscribe button below.